Now we have preparations underway to shut down the nuclear power plant along the Missouri River that I talked about in my last video, the Cooper Nuclear Station. Right now they're saying that the Nebraska Emergency Management is saying that there's no safety concerns at the plant at the moment. But with rising waters, things can change quickly, and you're not going to be able to get people in and out of some of these areas, as we can see in Fremont, because Fremont, which is Nebraska's 6th largest city, has become cut off by floodwaters. They're saying that 2 levees now were breached as of this morning north of Fremont, triggering mandatory evacuations of this area. They're saying that a Nebraska farmer has been killed trying to rescue a stranded motorist, and 2 others are missing. Now, at this point, they're saying that they have people on the ground, with officials saying that a lot of sightseers are showing up and that it's hampering rescue operations, per what they're saying. And as you can see here, we have military Black Hawk helicopters dropping 1.5-ton sandbags around wells. This is one of many wells that serve the city of Lincoln that's home to 284,000 people. Now, if they get covered with water or inundated, it's going to cause even more issues there. We also had 5 firefighters and 2 rescue divers taken to the hospital Friday with signs of hypothermia after 2 boats in which they were conducting rescue missions in had capsized in Dodge County, and that was near the Elkhorn River. But some updates here with this situation. Prayers going out to everyone out there that need them. You have to think that true flooding season hasn't even started. All the snowpack hasn't even begun to fully melt off yet. And once that does, we could see these exact same areas along the Missouri facing even more severe flooding situations. But make sure to follow me on Twitter for the latest. I'll leave links below. It's been Dabu7.